Have you ever wondered how your favorite potato chips are made on such a massive scale? Today, we're taking you inside one of America's largest chip factories. The journey begins with these giant trucks, which bring in thousands of tons of potatoes every day. This is how the trucks are emptied, sending the potatoes straight onto a conveyor belt. From here, millions of potatoes begin their journey to becoming crispy, delicious chips. As soon as they enter the factory, the first step is to give these potatoes a thorough wash. This giant washing machine cleans off all the dirt and grime. After washing, these clean potatoes are now ready for the next stage. This is the automatic peeling machine. It can peel thousands of potatoes in just a few minutes. Special brushes on the walls of this machine scrub the potatoes clean. Now it's time to cut these clean potatoes into the perfect chip shape. This high-speed blade can cut thousands of slices in a second. Look how every potato is transformed into perfectly shaped slices. At this stage, the quality control team immediately removes any imperfect slices. These slices are washed again to remove any excess starch. And now, for the most important stage, turning these slices golden brown and crispy. This 100-foot-long fryer cooks the chips to perfection in just 3 minutes. Look at this amazing sight. Hot and crispy chips, ready to go. Immediately after frying, the excess oil is removed. Now it's time to make these chips delicious. They're sent to the seasoning drum. Here, your favorite seasoning is applied from all sides. And there you have it, perfectly seasoned chips, now ready for packaging. Before packaging, a high-tech optical sorter removes any burnt or broken. Now, automatic machines weigh the chips to the exact amount for each bag. Each bag is filled and immediately sealed to maintain freshness. These giant robotic arms pack the bags into large cartons. Each carton is labeled and is now ready to be shipped worldwide. So, there you have it, the amazing journey of millions of potatoes becoming your favorite chips.